Within the process, this of course is going to be emphasized in the primary decon process. So the individual arrives, they may just show up on their own. That's probably where the most unprepared situation will be. They show up, where if there's anything on their face, they will have that quickly decontaminated, put the face mask on and the face shield, and then they will have the fast act cylinder discharged while they rotate 90 degrees every couple of seconds. One thing that is important when the cylinder is being used is that the cylinder is shaken. That will help ensure that all of the decontaminating powder is discharged from the device. That we do have other size cylinders that use more traditional safety pins. They have higher capacity of sorbent, but in all cases it comes down to pulling a safety pin and shaking the cylinder in an up and down motion while it's being discharged.